Hi, welcome to High Tech GB Limited. Today I am here with an excellent offer on a Lenovo laptop. Lenovo Thinkpad Intel i5 8th Gen 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD with Windows 10 Pro installed, an original charger. Price, £199. Comes with warranty, so buy with confidence and peace of mind. Powerful machine for gaming and personal use as well, office use etc. Display, 14 inches LED display. Lenovo Thinkpad T480. 8GB RAM upgradable. 256GB SSD upgradable. Graphics, UHDgraphics 620. Processing speed, 1.6 GHz 6-core Intel i5 boost speed 3.4 GHz. UHDgraphics 620. Display resolution, HD display with 1366x768 with 60 Hz. Battery timing, up to 8 hours. Ports and slots, display port, charging port, USB 3.0/3.1, VGA, SD card, RJ45, audio in and out, security, sensors, TPM 2.0, Kensington security slot, security lock slots, camera 720p, headphone output, backlit keyboard optional, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LAN, webcam, Hdmi, slim weight. It is best for programming, architecture, playing games, Free Fire, Tomb Raider, Need for Speed Underground, GTA 4, online classes, for assignments, office use, remote office or conference room setup. Genuine seller with 100% positive feedback on eBay and all other online selling platforms. Serving UK with IT for over 15 years. For any IT related assistance, contact us and we are to help you. Thanks.